Yeah, Sunday move on the beach, you know. I do some time for myself. Stretch on the mats. Taking a break away from people. It's not real life.